AI is supposed to make life easier.
So why are most people still broke? They use the same tools, watch the same tutorials, follow the same trends, yet nothing changes. The problem isn't AI, it's how people use it. And today, I'll show you why. Welcome to AI Wealth Pulse, where we break down how money is really made in the AI era. In this video, you'll learn the biggest mistake people make with AI, why working harder doesn't fix it, how this mistake keeps people stuck, and what winners do differently. This might be uncomfortable, but it's necessary. AI is powerful, so what's going wrong? AI can, right? Design, analyze, automate, scale. So logically, people using AI should move ahead, but most don't. Because AI doesn't reward activity, it rewards direction. Without strategy, AI just makes you faster at doing the wrong things. Mistake number 1, using AI for consumption, not creation. Most people use AI to ask random questions, generate answers, solve small problems, scroll and experiment. That's consumption. The winners use AI to build content, systems, assets, income streams. AI was never meant to entertain you. It was meant to amplify output. Mistake number 2, chasing tools instead of outcomes. New AI tools drop every week. Most people jump tool to tool, never master one, feel busy but stuck. They ask, what tool should I use? Winners ask, what result do I want? And how do I automate it? Tools change, outcomes don't. Mistake number 3, using AI to save time, not to make money. Saving time feels productive, but time saved without direction, all wasted time. The wealthy use AI to increase income, scale output, reduce dependency on labor. They don't ask, how can AI make this easier? They ask, how can AI make this profitable? That's the difference. And why effort no longer wins. Hard work used to be enough. Not anymore. AI shifted the game from effort to leverage. One person with systems now outperforms teams, companies, departments. If your AI usage doesn't scale, it doesn't matter how hard you try. And what people who win with AI do differently. They pick one use case, apply AI consistently, build repeatable systems, focus on distribution. Examples: Faceless YouTube channels, AI-powered agencies, automated newsletters, digital products. Same rule, AI does the work. Humans make decisions. How to stop using AI wrong? Here's the reset. Ask these questions. What can I automate? What can I scale? What can I turn into an asset? Use AI to build once, earn repeatedly. That's how wealth is created in the AI era. AI won't make you rich by default. It will expose lack of direction, lack of focus, lack of action. AI doesn't close gaps, it widens them. Most people don't fail with AI, they misuse it. And that mistake keeps them busy, distracted, and broke. AI rewards builders. AI rewards systems. AI rewards leverage. This is AI Wealth Pulse. Think differently. Build smarter. I'll see you in the next one.